Do you know what all the top speakers have in common when they deliver a message to their audience? In one word, PowerPoint. That's right. They use PowerPoint to present their ideas to the public and also to sell them stuff. But that's not all. Teachers use it to deliver classroom lectures, while business people use it to make business proposals to their clients. Here are some interesting facts you need to know. There are over 500 million people around the world who use PowerPoint. There are over 30 million presentations being created using PowerPoint every day. As you can see, PowerPoint has become the gold standard for presenting ideas in today's business world. Mastering PowerPoint is vital if you want to stay at the top of the game. That is why I created a step-by-step video series on how to organize and present your ideas with PowerPoint. So, scroll down this page below to discover more about it and how I can help you get started fast.